Hello everyone, my name is Ankesh Kumar. I am a first year undergraduate student of Agriculture and Food Engineering Department, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. My roll number is 21AG10002. As our second assignment in DIY lab, we have to make an 3D object in FreeCAD software. So I have chosen to make a phone holder for this purpose. In order to make this phone holder, firstly I have to prepare a sketch for it, which we can see with the following dimensions. These are the constraints used by me in order to complete the sketch. Then I have used the pad option. Basically, the pad option is used in order to give the sketch its 3D view. So we can see this is the 3D view of the sketch that I have made. The length that I have used is of 3 mm. After that, I have used the mirror option in order to complete the rest half portion of the stand. Then I have marked the line 109 mm from its base in order to fold the stand from that place. For that purpose, I have used the sheet metal option. Basically, we have to download and install the sheet metal option from the add-on manager that can be shown in the tools option. Basically, the sheet metal option helps in folding, and with the help of this, I have folded the stand from that point. I have repeated this step 3 more times and we can fold that phone holder at the desired angle. After that, I have used the fillet option in order to mold the phone holder so that we can't get hurt in future. So in this way, our phone holder is ready. Now I have saved this as .stl file and then exported to Cura Ultimaker in order to print this. Here we can adjust the setting as per our requirement. For as I have kept the thickness for 1.2 mm and temperature to be 200 degrees Celsius. The speed that I have chosen is 55 mm per second. Now we can proceed to slice. So we can see that the approximate time that has been taken to print this is 7 hours and 16 minutes and the weight that is been printed is 58 gram. The volume is the volume of the object can be seen here. Thank you very much.